Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best projector for basement that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the X-Gimme Horizon projector for basement. The X-Gimme Horizon boasts a vivid 1920x1080 Full HD resolution. With 2.07 million pixels, this projector delivers movies, games, and presentations with maximum clarity. The ultra-bright 2200 ANSI lumens ensure that even in a well-lit basement, your images will be crisp and bright. Not to mention, it supports a maximum resolution of 4K at 60 Hz. Ensuring that you'll be ready to handle the latest content in the future. Dual built-in 8W Harman Kardon speakers deliver crisp, clear, and immersive sound. With DTS HD, DTS Studio Sound and Dolby Digital compatibility, this projector's sound is in a league of its own, creating an incredibly immersive experience. Setting up the X-Gimme Horizon projector is a breeze thanks to its intelligent screen adaptation technology. Automatic keystone correction plus or minus 40 degrees, both horizontally and vertically. Auto screen leveling, autofocus, and obstacle avoidance are great additions that make the setup process extremely fast. With Android TV 10.0, X-Gimme Horizon offers access to more than 5,000 plus Google Play apps, so your entertainment options are virtually endless. Built-in Chromecast makes it easy to stream content from Apple, Android devices wirelessly. Plus, integration with Google Assistant means you can control the projector with simple voice commands. Moving on at number 4, we have the Optima HD 146X projector for basement. If you're looking to create a true cinematic experience right in your basement, the Optima HD 146X seems like it was made for you. The Optima HD 146X boasts a native 1080p, 1920x1080, resolution that promises to deliver crisp, high-definition images. Its unique RYGCWB color wheel is designed to calibrate home theater colors, ensuring that movies and games are not only crisp, but also bright, colorful and realistic. The Optima HD 146X projector with an impressive 3600 lumens is designed for versatile use. Whether you want to leave the lights on or dim them down, the Optima HD 146X's enhanced gaming mode offers a lightning-fast 16 milliseconds response time, making it the perfect companion for gamers. HDMI CEC technology allows you to control the projector and connected devices with a single remote control. The Optima HD 146X's dynamic black technology delivers greater image depth by smoothing the lamp's light output, resulting in a stunningly high contrast ratio of 500,000 to 1. The lamp has a lifespan of up to 15,000 hours. This translates to an average of 4 hours of viewing every day for over 10 years, making it a solid long-term investment. At number 3, we have the BenQ 850 Takas projector for basement. The BenQ 850 Takas is a true 4K UHD projector with a resolution of 3840 by 2160, which creates 8.3 million individual pixels. This projector boasts high visual brightness over 3000 lumens and vivid colors. With HDR Pro technology, complemented by dynamic iris, this projector delivers enhanced HDR contrast and brightness. It supports HDR10 and HLG formats, allowing you to enjoy movies in true high definition. The BenQ 850 Takas comes with factory-calibrated accurate color technology that is compatible with the DCI-P3 color space. This is a huge leap forward, surpassing the color spectrum of the Rec. 709 standard and guarantees the most realistic colors possible right out of the box. For gamers and sports enthusiasts, the 850 Takas has special sports modes, complemented by Cinema Master Audio Plus 2 technology, that deliver immersive sound that takes you right into the center of the action. The 1.3x zoom and lens shift features make installation and upgrades simple and hassle-free. At number 2, we have the ViewSonic PX701 HDH Basement Projector. Whether you're a movie buff or a gaming enthusiast, the ViewSonic PX701 HDH is designed to turn your basement into an entertainment center. With a high brightness of 3,500 lumens and 1080p resolution, the ViewSonic PX701 HDH makes every frame pop, providing a cinematic experience like your own private theater. Installing this projector is a breeze thanks to its 1.1x optical zoom and vertical keystone correction. The ViewSonic PX701 HDH's exclusive color technology delivers a wide color gamut, allowing you to create stunning, vibrant images in virtually any environment. The ViewSonic PX701 HDH boasts a low input latency of just 16 milliseconds. It supports most media players, game consoles, PCs, Macs and mobile devices via 2 HDMI ports and powered USB-A inputs, ensuring seamless integration with virtually any entertainment system. And finally at number 1, we have the BenQ GS50 projector for basement. The BenQ GS50 offers a compelling combination of vivid visual and audio performance. The BenQ GS50 features full HD 1080p resolution and 500 ANSI lumens of brightness. With HDR10 HLG support, this projector delivers vivid, lifelike detail that takes you right into the heart of your favorite movies and shows. A unique feature of the BenQ GS50 is its 2.1-channel Bluetooth speaker system, which includes 5x2 mid-range tweeters and a powerful 10-watt woofer. Optimized image modes with cinematic color support and a wide 98% color gamut according to Rec.709 provide a bright and realistic image on the BenQ GS50 monitor screen. The adjustable stand can tilt up to 15 degrees, and with features like autofocus, 2D keystone and 4-angle adjustment, setting up the perfect viewing angle in your basement has never been easier. Built-in Google-certified Android TV makes streaming your favorite content a breeze. Plus, with AirPlay and Chromecast support, you can easily stream content from iOS, macOS, Android, and PC devices wirelessly. This ensures that your basement can become your favorite place for all kinds of entertainment.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.